Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Ports. So today we will tell you regarding the one of the world's largest container ship has been named at Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering. South Korean major Hyundai Merchant Marine has held a naming ceremony for the first of its 12 24,000 TEU container ship, the HMM Algeciras. Described as the world's largest box ship, was named at Daewoo Shipbuilding and Marine Engineering Okpo Shipyard in Oje, Korea. The ceremony was presided by the President of the Republic of Korea, Moon Jae, in First Lady Kim Jong-suk served as an godmother of the ship. Vessel particulars of Hyundai Merchant Marine Algeciras. Length overall approx 400 meter, beam 61 meter, depth 33.2 meter, capacity 22,964 TEU, flag Panama. HMM Algeciras is scheduled to be deployed on Far East Europe 4 service, one of the Asia-North Europe trade lines of the Alliance. Its port rotation starts at Qingdao, Busan, Ningbo, Shanghai, Yantian, Suez Canal, Rotterdam, Hamburg, Antwerp, London, Gateway, then Singapore via Suez Canal. DSME is building 7, while Samsung Heavy Industries is building the remaining 5 24,000 container ships from the batch ordered in 2018. The rest of the new builds are scheduled to join HMM's fleet sequentially by September 2020. All 12 ships will be fitted with scrubbers to meet the international sulfur cap, which entered into force in January this year. They will also feature an optimized hull design and highly efficient engines designed to improve energy efficiency and reduce carbon emissions, the shipping company said. Hyundai Merchant Marine also has 8 16,000 TEU box ships being built at Hyundai Heavy Industries that are scheduled for delivery in 2021. The South Korean major operates over 90 liner services with more than 100 state-of-the-art vessels in 110 countries worldwide. If you like this information, do share, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.